Simple quantum explanation of gravity without mass or math. Let's start with a simple experiment. Pour some water into a wide plate and put a bottle cork/cap into the water so that the cork/cap floats like a toy boat on the plate lake. With your finger start flapping water next to the cork/cap. The cork/cap will start floating away from your finger. Follow the cork/cap with your finger and continue flapping. The cork/cap will continue drifting away. We'll return to this experiment in a minute. Now some theory. Space vacuum is not empty, it is full with quantum fluctuations. And even inside matter, in spaces between atoms, and in spaces between particles inside atoms, these fluctuations go on. Quantum fluctuations.gif. From Wikipedia. n.wikipedia.org. In Time Matters, book is available in PDF, on Amazon and Google. We discuss time dilation, uneven flow of time, and how matter appears from uneven time. Particles, nucleus and atoms are formed within droplets of slow time. By the way, there is an interesting theory by Dr. Vivian Robinson and Dr. Williamson claiming that all particles are just photons trapped in circular, or confined in space, versus straight orbits and they form standing and self-enforcing electromagnetic waves. Such theory explains charge, spin, and mass origin for particles. Why I mention it here, because droplet of slow time is a perfect mirror/cage/trap for light. And time in such bubbles, for example in very energetic cosmic rays particles, can be billions or trillion times slower than the time we experience today. Quantum fluctuations go on everywhere. For an external observer, in areas of faster time there will be more fluctuations than in areas of slower time. Now, what happens to a particle, or to an atom in an area with uneven time, where time runs faster on one side of the area versus slower time on another side? Think about this particle as the cork/cap in the above experiment, and think about spacetime as water on the plate. On the faster time side near the cork/cap/particle there will be more water/quantum disturbances than on the slower time side. Let's focus on fluctuations/disturbances at the fastest time side. The cork/cap/particle will drift away from faster fluctuations/time in the slowest time direction. Now, it does not appear that slower time pulls the particle. It appears that the particle is pushed away by fluctuations on the faster time side. Particle is pushed by difference in time speed, and gravity is just a gradient in time dilation. And now, if think of gravity as time dilation force, then it is far from being weak. For example, gravity on Earth comes from about 1/billionth time difference, a small time difference, on Earth and away from it. But if we talk about time difference at our feet level and our head level, then time difference at such short distance would be way less than 1/trillionth, an extremely small time difference. And that small difference in time flow weighs a lot to us. And in the universe, and even more so inside particles, time differences compared to our time can be whole and very big numbers. Thus, this force will be huge. Apparently, this force is universal, is present in universe, in atoms, in particles, because fluctuations are everywhere outside and inside. Scientists say that gravity is weak, because Earth weighs 6 times 10 squared superscript 1 tons, but we still can live on it and not smashed by its gravity. But now we understand that it actually comes from less than trillionth rate in time differences, an extremely small time difference, and we still feel it is quite strong. Massless case. In my book I solved Vera Rubin's puzzle about stars in spiral galaxies moving like a fish school, often changing direction and velocity, amazingly synchronous, and without collisions. It is because time in spiral arms runs faster than outside the arms. That explained gravitational irregularities in spiral galaxies and in our Milky Way. Stars' trajectories alter due to time dilation outside the arms, compared to the time in arms, alone, and that is caused neither by some mass nor by fictitious dark matter. Another massless case would be propulsion system based on time dilation described by Bob Lazar. Details are in my book as well. Einsteinian/Newtonian case. Why do we observe gravity around mass? In Time Matters we discuss that a matter object, with captured/can slow time inside, displaces/pushes away some time from the space of its location, just like an Archimedes object, when submerged into a liquid, displaces some volume of the liquid. Displaced time creates excess/irregularity of time, which is thicker, slower time, around such object. Thus, time dilation appears around mass and it manifests as gravity. Free Time Matters ebook in PDF, at Amazon and Google. Now we can say that quantum fluctuations are the universal clock or time.